Hi guys, welcome to our channel Gags and Jay. Here we share simple and some mouth-watering recipes on daily basis. Today we'll be making Shahi Paneer. So there is a world of different spices for Shahi Paneer and everybody has their own version of making it. We'll be sharing our version today with you guys. So let's get started.
So let's get started with Shahi Paneer. Being a hardcore non-vegetarian, I am too much into, chicken, mutton and stuff. But when it comes to having a vegetarian dish, paneer is one of my favorite. I guess it's the most favorite of mine. So we'll start by adding 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. I literally go crazy when it comes to paneer in veg. Otherwise, I don't have anything in vegetarian item. I just hate veggies. They are so green in color and I am greenophobic. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and we'll let it splutter. Now we'll be adding 2 medium cinnamon sticks, 1 medium sized bay leaf and some cardamom. Now it's time to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Oh, बहुत इस कीटे आने लग गई, बच के रहिए. Now it's time to add 1 medium-sized onion with 6 cashew nuts. Make sure you grind it properly and then add it to the wok. And you should continuously stir it because it might, stick to the pan. So stir. Again stir. हिलाते जाइए. अच्छे से आप मिक्स कीजिए चीजों को till the color changes. Oh, ta-da! Now it's time to add 1 tomato puree, medium tomato puree you can add. And you to know that there should be some sort of comedy while cooking. So, आज mood थोड़ा सा comedy हो रहा है. आप चीजें डालते रहिएगा, मैं बातें करती रहूंगी. आप कश्मीरी लाल मिर्च make sure you add it because I love red color. And make sure you add garam masala and some of those spices. But there is one thing that you should keep in mind, and it's pretty shocking as well, because there is in this recipe no amount of haldi is added, no turmeric powder is added. So make sure you don't add it. Except that you can add rest of the dry spices that are mentioned. The quantities are mentioned. So coming back to my comedy session, so I am a bit much into mimicking. Not that much, but yeah, few of those hilarious people like Sunil Shetty and who is that guy? I don't remember. Gandhi, can you just name that one person whom I mimic a lot? No, dude, no. It's like Lalita. कौन था वो? कौन था? Oh, Shakti Kapoor. Yeah. So let me show my mimicking skills and I'm really sorry. मैं बहुत ही वाहियात करती हूँ, but जिंदगी भले ही रूड हो, हम तो ड्यूड हैं. प्लीज आप मेरी कॉमेडी में फोकस करते करते आप रेसिपी भी देखिएगा, वरना हमारा चैनल किस काम का. Well, when it comes to comedy and mimicking, I love it to some point. Sunil Shetty is one of my favorite artists when it comes to mimicking. I mean, seriously, the way he talks, it's simply aesthetic. I mean, what he says, yeah, I remember one of his funny dialogue from some sort of movie. I don't know, I've never seen his movie to be honest, but एक dialogue मारता है क्या, अंजलि, अंजलि मैं तुम्हारे लिए पतंजलि से कुछ लेके आया हूँ अंजलि. That's my rendition, to be honest. Keeping jokes apart, you have to add curd or cream, whichever is available at your household, so that it changes the color into, you know, a bit of orangish color, and Shahi Paneer looks a bit orangish. So make sure you mix it properly, and your spices should be cooked well. And you know what's the sign to add, you know, when you know that the spices are cooked. And yes, while preparing the gravy, make sure you boil the paneer. You know, I took 200 grams of paneer, Amul paneer, and I boiled it for like 5-10 minutes. Okay, and after that it turns soft. I added it to the gravy once it's prepared. Stir it properly and add ample amount of water, because ये gravy है, हमें इसे एकदम सूखा नहीं बनाना है. शाही पनीर is meant to be gravy. So add water, 100 ml of water. Cook it at least for 15 minutes in low flame, so that the spices get absorbed by the paneer, and it, you know, becomes more juicy and spicy as well. So after 15 minutes you are done. Let it simmer. Oh, look at this paneer. Wow. I must say, like, I used to make terrible paneer, but it turned out really well. You should also try it. Apart from my comedy, I hope you like this recipe. And make sure you garnish it with some coriander leaves.
Soft and creamy Mughlai restaurant style Shahi Paneer is ready. Scoop this vegetarian curry up with hot parathas, naan, roti or rice. It's absolutely your choice. I hope you liked our recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get recent updates whenever we upload a recipe. We'll meet next week again. Until then, bye bye.